How to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Hey everyone, let's get started. If you are worried of security of your folders in your Windows, here is a trick to it. So first of all, open the folder that you want to password protect to. Once that is done, just right click on it and then click on new. Now you have to create a text document and name it as folder log.txt. Now we are supposed to give some code on this text file. The link to the code is already available on the description below. Just copy paste the code, and after that you have to change the password section which is right on this line written as your password. You can simply remove the password and give the password that you want to set. Once that is done, click on the file and save as. Now we are supposed to change the file type of the text document that we created before. Now tap on it and click as BAT. Also change the save as type into all files and click save. Now you can cross it and go to the folder and refresh it once. You will notice that a new folder type is created as folderlog.bat. Now double tap on the BAT file and you will notice a private folder has been created inside your folder. Now what you can do is simply copy or cut all of your folders and paste it inside the private folder. Now you have to double tap on folder.bat and tap Y. Doing this will create a log on your private folder. As you can see, the private folder has been removed. Now to open it, you just have to tap on it, give your password that you said before, and you will notice the private folder that is visible to you now. So this was it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.